Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Fazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about the preparation of double salts, ferrous ammonium sulfate or more salts. What is the theory? A double salt is a salt that contains an equimolar mixture of two salts with different cations but same anions. More salt is a double salt, so when equimolar proportions of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate are mixed to form a solution and then crystallized, we get crystals of ferrous ammonium sulfate or salt, ammonium salt or more salt. The reactions can be shown as follows. You can see this is the ferrous sulfate, this is the ammonium sulfate and gives water and ferrous ammonium sulfate or more salts. So iron 2 cations can undergo hydrolysis. Therefore, to prevent it while preparing their aqueous solution, a small amount of dilute sulfuric acid is added. What is the requirement? Beaker, conical flask, trough, glass rod, tripod stand, funnel, wire gauze, weighing machine, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, distilled water and dilute sulfuric acid. What procedure you have to follow? Ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate you can mix, gently warm the mixtures, filter the solution, concentrate the solutions by heating it till crystallization point is reached, stir the solution occasionally while heating, allow the mixture to cool to room temperature. After cooling the solution, you will get the crystals of ferrous ammonium sulfate, green color. Decant the mother liquor and separate the crystal. Now wash the crystal with water and alcoholic mixture. Dry the crystal and note down the yield of the products. So this is your observations. Color of the crystal light green, shape of the crystal monoclinic shaped, solubility in water soluble, blue litmus paper, litmus test, blue litmus paper turns red. So what results? Yield of more salt or ferrous ammonium sulfate is. Then you have to take the precautions. For crystallization, solution should cool down slowly. Do not disturb the solution while cooling during crystallizations. Don't overheat the solution for crystallization as it may change ferrous ion into ferric ion, which will change stoichiometry of the solutions. More salt is largely used in analytical chemistry. Inhalation of more salts causes irritations in the nose and throat. Overexposure of it can cause diarrhea as well. So while experimenting, you need to be very careful. This was all about the preparation of more salt. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.